Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, family and friends, on this Facebook Live. All right, y'all. It was some rain last night. Today, April the 14th, 2022. Yep. So yeah, I mean it was some kind of weather out here. Lightning struck so closely and stuff like that. Yeah. I mean, think about those poor unfortunate people that don't have a roof over their head living here. I mean, say live with this. I mean, to say with this rain and stuff, and that hole right there. That hole is full of water. I guess it drained a little bit. All right. So yeah, All right. On on my front porch, or should I say my stoop and stuff like that. Looking at no more rain this morning. Okay, so what's gonna happen? Will it warm up later today, or will it continue on being cool as more? All right. So yeah, So that's all to it. So now I'm about to go set up my gaming, okay, or something else or whatever. All right. Bye.